ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk about hobbies and interests. A hobby is something fun that you like to do in your free time. Let's explore some hobbies together. Maybe you'll find a new one you like. I like reading books every day. Books take me to new adventures. My favorite book is about animals. I love drawing with crayons. I can color a rainbow with many colors. Drawing makes me happy. I like playing soccer with my friends. I can kick the ball very far. Soccer is my favorite game. I like dancing to happy songs. Dancing makes my body move fast. I can dance alone or with friends. I love singing my favorite songs. Singing makes me feel joyful. I can sing at school or at home. I like playing the piano. The piano makes beautiful music. I practice my piano every day. I like swimming in the pool. I can splash and play in the water. Swimming is fun and healthy. I love riding my bike. I can ride fast on the street. Cycling is my weekend hobby. I like planting flowers in the garden. I water the plants every morning. Gardening makes me feel calm. I like building with blocks. I can make a tall tower. I love painting with many colors. I can paint a house and a tree. Painting makes me creative. I like throwing the ball in the hoop. Basketball is fun with my friends. I can dribble the ball very fast. I like listening to music. Music makes me happy and calm. I can dance while I listen to songs. I love skating in the park. I can skate fast and smooth. Skating is exciting and fun. I like helping my mom cook. Cooking is fun in the kitchen. I can make sandwiches and cookies. I like writing short stories. My story can be about a hero. Writing makes me use my imagination. I like collecting toy cars. My toy collection is very big. I love watching cartoons on TV. Cartoons are colorful and funny. I watch cartoons with my friends. I like playing chess with my dad. Chess makes me think hard. I move the pieces carefully. I love playing with my dog. My pet makes me happy. I feed and care for my pet. Great job, kids! Remember, hobbies are special because they make you happy and help you learn new things. What is your hobby? See you next time.